Hey, what if I told you that you could run webinars that sell for you on autopilot, even while you sleep? No scheduling conflicts, no live hosting stress, just an evergreen system working 24/7. Sounds unreal, right? But it's not. Here's the truth. Webinars are one of the most powerful tools to build trust and make sales online. But the traditional way, it's exhausting. You prepare slides, go live, hope people show up, and then repeat the process again and again. For busy entrepreneurs, that's just not sustainable. But what if you could create one perfect webinar and have it run automatically, day after day, generating leads and sales without your constant involvement? That's exactly where System.io comes in. With its built-in funnel builder, you can create an evergreen webinar funnel from start to finish, all in one platform. On the same dashboard, you can design registration pages, automate email reminders, deliver your webinar video, and even guide viewers straight to your offer. Here's the powerful part. Everything is automated. Visitors sign up, they get reminder emails, they watch your webinar, and they're directed to your sales page, all without you lifting a finger after setup. It's like cloning yourself and letting your best presentation run on repeat. Imagine this. Instead of going live every week, you record your webinar once, upload it into System.io, and let the funnel do the work. New leads keep coming in, your message keeps getting delivered, and sales keep flowing, whether it's 2 in the afternoon or 2 in the morning. And it's not just about automation. System.io gives you full control to customize your funnel, track results, and scale. So your evergreen webinar doesn't just run, it grows your business on autopilot. Curious how to set this up? I've linked a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to create your evergreen webinar funnel in System.io. You'll find it right here in the info card or down in the description. So here's the question. Do you want to keep grinding with live webinars? Or let System.io help you build a funnel that works for you every single day? Click the link, watch the tutorial, and start creating your evergreen webinar funnel today. The future of your business could be running while you sleep.